In this video guys, you will see the Lucas Dobre cleaning for his fiancée makeup for her. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end if you haven't, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So guys, let's enjoying the video. Lucas Dobre cleaning his fiancée makeup for her. That's so funny. You want look so
What are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm washing your
Hey, that's
makeup.
my makeup palette.
I know, I'm washing it for you.
What do you mean washing
Lucas
it?
You use it
I
every
just got this.
You,
What do you mean?
use it every day. I'm just trying to clean it for you because it's dirty.
You just messed up my makeup palette.
What are you talking about? It's
That's
dirty.
not
I cleaned it for you. Why are you getting
That's
mad?
not funny. What do you mean? Are you cleaning it? It was already clean. And my palette, babe.
It's okay.
No, it's
it's
not
clean now. You
okay.
can use it.
No, I cannot use this anymore. You put soap on this?
Yeah, I cleaned it for you. It's good. It's clean.
That's
You just-
not clean. You messed it up. No, it's not. Get out.
Yeah, what are you
Please,
talking
go,
about?
Go.
Wait, what? I'm cleaning your makeup
that.
for you.
No, you cannot clean it. You're gonna work. Oh my god. Go.
Are you
It's not
serious?
funny. Oh my god.
So guys, thanks for watching this video. In this video you will see the Lucas Dobre cleaning his fiancée makeup for her, and it's an entertainment fun of Lucas and Yvonne. Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Till then, and take care. Bye.